In our last video, we discussed about importance of play and what are all the characteristics of play and what is play. In our video, we are going to discuss about what are all the theories of play and what are all the persons given theory. Myself Surma, I am the student of occupational therapy. Okay, we are going to discuss about the 6 theories. First theory is given by the Reilly. So, Reilly theory was developed in 1974. She explained that play is energized by curiosity, and during play, the child explores the environment and learn how the human works, how the event works, and how the object works. Then Reilly conceptualized 3 hierarchical stages of play. First, the child explores. So that is the exploratory behavior, and the child going to be the competent to others, so that is the competency behavior, and the child going to achieve something in play, that is the achievement behavior. The exploration is affected when the child is in anxious or the child is under pressure. Competency behavior, the child persistently and concentrate on the activity for a longer time. So consistently the child active do the activity and involve in play and practice. So the child going to be master the play, and the child is enough to competence. Then third stage is achievement stage. The child going to perform in this stage. The learned behavior and learned play are all performed in the stage. So not only in the game, the child can also perform the skills, learn the skills and strategies in reality. So not only play, the example chess. So we have to think priorly. So that is the learned thing. So the child use the point. So we have to think priorly. So this point in life. So that also in achievement stage. Flore. So he is also giving theory of play. In 1971, he defined play is an action on human object or non-human object. So what are the human object? So the child going to engage with the human object. So peer, parents, or any significant others, or child's own body, or the human object. Then non-human object. The Flore classified the non-human object in 3 types: type 1, type 2, and type 3. Type 1 object, it is a creative or unstructured objects like clay. We can modulate the clay in any forms, so it is an unstructured object, that is a type 1 object. Type 2 object, so it is the object that can be changed into another form when it is combined with any other object, so it can be changed. Type 3 object can't be changed, like cycle. So bicycle can't be changed when it's combined with any other objects. So type 3 objects are maintaining its original form, so it can't be changed. So that is a type 1, type 2, and type 3 object given by the Flore. Bundy. So Bundy classification. So Bundy gives definition for play and playfulness. So we are already seeing the 3 theories. So Bundy theory is the 4th theory. So Bundy says play is a transaction between the child and the environment. So there is a transaction between the child and the environment. So in this, child have intrinsic motivation, internal control, or all. So that is play. And what is playfulness? So what are all the playfulness is not only the achieving all these specific skills in play. So playfulness is the ability to perform the play skills. So what are the learned behaviors in reality? So that is the playfulness. So the child has to apply the play activities in other aspects of life. So he learned to make a chess in prayer moves, so he applied that knowledge in any other field. So that is the playfulness. It is given by the Bundy. He also explained about the elements of play: intrinsic motivation, internal control, freedom to sustain reality, and locus shift control. So control the transaction. So I already said play is a transaction between the child and the environment. So the child has to control the transaction. So that is the locus shift control. So how he control? So by with whom we are playing, where we are playing, that can be controlled by the child. So that is the locus shift control. Okay, then 4th theory, Takata's theory. So taxonomy of the play classification. So that is the arrangement of the order of play. So epoch is a time period, so in which some skills are developing. That is given by the Takata. So he gives 5 epochs. So it was developed in the 90s. So the child explored in this sensory experience, and child come to know some accents. So that is a sensory motor epoch. Epoch is a time period in this sensory motor are developed. Then symbolic epoch. the child starts to use symbols for the actions. So for running, the child use this symbol. So that like the child starts using symbols in real life. Then dramatic epoch. So the child going to drama. So like doctor, like teacher, like cooking. So that like the child going to make a drama. So that is a pretend play. The child going to drama like a real life. So in this they are creating their own rules and they are deviating from the play. And game epoch. It is a fourth stage. So game epoch starts in 7 years and end in 12 years. And sensory motor epoch starts in birth to 2 years. Symbolic epoch 2 to 4 years. And dramatic epoch 4 to 7 years. And game epoch 7 to 12 years. So in this the child going to obey the rules and start playing and involved in game by a cooperative way, and they start learning new things and how the things are work they are curious to learn. And recreation epoch, it is in 1932 he developed the classification. In this the Norton classified the play into 6 types. So the child just developing each play. So first play is unoccupied play. The child starts playing with their own body, so tapping, so that like the child is playing with their own body, that is unoccupied play. Then solitary play, so the child starts playing with the toys. So and the child play alone, so that is a solitary play. Solo, the child starts playing with a solo, so it is a own play, so that is a solitary play. Then onlooker play, it is a third stage of play. In this the child starts watching others are playing, how they are playing, so that like the child going to watch, that is onlooker play. Then parallel play, the child starts play with others, near others but not interact with others, that is a parallel play. And associative play, the child starts playing with others but not obeying the rules and not at all, but they are playing with the agreement. Then cooperative play, in this the child work with the mouse and they obey the rules and play in a matured way, that is a cooperative play. Then Piaget cognitive theory. He developed this theory and he explained some things, how the child is developing in play. So in 3 stages they are developing: sensory motor stage and pre-operational stage and concrete operational stage. Sensory motor stage is more or less likely to the Takata's sensory motor above. So the child going to explore in the sensory sensation and they start some motor actions. So that is a sensory motor stage. And pre-operational stage, it is also more likely to the very good way. So it is about the 6 to 11 years. So first sensory motor is to 0 to 2 and the pre-operational is 2 to 6 and the concrete operational is 6 to 11 years. So that are all the play stages that is given by the Piaget cognitive theory. Okay guys, in our video we just discussed about what are the theories given to play in occupational therapy. So in our further videos, we are going to discuss about more various topics. So keep waiting for the topics. So I also need motivation. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.